welcome to my Zero Waste House Tours Part 2. Let's go upstairs. So upstairs we have my husband and I's beautiful bedroom, which is still a work in progress, so please do not judge. I challenged myself to only buy vintage and secondhand items to decorate our house, so it's going to take me a while to complete the look in here, but I've already made some progress. I found this antique ladder that I'm going to use to put our throw blankets and houseplants on. I also found a secondhand rug and a secondhand bed frame that I found on Facebook Marketplace for a freaking steal. But I have yet to find an antique dresser that I really like, which is why our clothes are all over the floor. Like and comment if you guys want to come with me to a vintage and antique show this weekend to hopefully find some new decor for my bedroom. Upstairs, we also have a spare bedroom, aka the baby's room, which by the way, guys, I'm not pregnant yet, but we are currently trying, so I put this little secondhand baby blanket in the closet to help us manifest, so please send us all your good baby vibes our way. Now for my favorite room upstairs. The bathroom. It is just so relaxing in here. My favorite part is this built-in soap holder, which is perfect for holding onto my soap bars, keeping them out of the way of the water. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about our new zero waste home, and let me know in the comments if you guys want to come with me to this vintage and antique show this weekend.